here. So virtual machine is being used by the Java ME is KVM, or the Java K virtual machine. So we have the core library, so we have the Java.lang, Java.ml. So since Java ME is also Java and the writing language is still Java, so we still have the libraries, core libraries like Java.lang, Java.machine. So we could still use printf and other things, or print time system, that's what the print time, etc. So there is also input-output, Java.io. So security, working internationally. Right? So next is MIDP, or the Mobile Information Device Profile. So builds on top of the MIDP. Okay, so the MIDP actually is the one that creates, is the one that composes the mainnet. Okay, so basically, so if we're about to develop a Java ME application, so we are developing, we are creating a build called the mainnet. Okay, so the mainnet contains all of the source codes, so in files that needs to be so that we could be able to run or execute the Java ME application. So the MIDP specification of maturity and DCA and other APIs, so it's been defined through Java community process. So basically the MIDP defines the application model, the user interface API, and persistent storage and networking, so gaming and video API, and other things. So meaning, MIDP is the overall file that we need so for me to have this Java ME application. So without this MIDP, so we could not be able to develop Java ME application. User interface pa lang. So can you develop a program without a user interface? So how your user will interact? So without application, if user interface is not available. So wala ka na nakalagay, blanco lang. Ano gagawin mo dyan? Ano ba, ilalagay ba yung pangalan ko, or yung ID number ko, or wala ka na nakalagay, nakasulat ko ang ilalagay ko, diba? Password ko ba, or diba? So syempre, don't you have that interface so that the users could interact, so the users could supply an input and then afterwards it will be processed by the device, so and then it will produce an output. So Midnet is an MIDP application. So it's called Midnet. So the device application management software interacts directly with the Midnet. So with the Midnet create, start, post, and destroy methods. So basically, if you will be learning about Java ME development, so we have just three different methods that we need to understand. So first is the create, so meaning it will create an application. So next is start, and then post, and then destroy. Okay, so the Midnet is part of the Java micro edition that Midnet. Okay, so this Java micro edition that Midnet is actually the package so that is available on our Java ME platform. Okay, so we need to import this Java micro edition that Midnet so that we could be able to create in Midnet. Okay, so in Midnet must extend Midnet class. So in extend, so we are applying here what we call the inheritance mechanism. Okay, so if you remember on your object-oriented programming class, so using Java, so you learn about what we call the inheritance. So meaning, but when we say inheritance, you are inheriting from a parent class, from a base class, so that those attributes, methods, and other things that this class contains, so should be available on your application. Okay, so it can request parameters